How to fix app not installed problem on Android. If you are unable to install certain apps on your Android device, the first thing you're going to have to do is update your Play Store. So go ahead and open your Play Store application. Then from here, you're going to have to go to your profile at the top right. Then tap on the settings menu. Once you get to settings, go to about. And if you have an option that says update Play Store, just tap on it. And if it says the Play Store is up to date, then you should be good to go. The next step you can try to do is go to your app info for Play Store and simply clear cache from your storage. Go to storage, clear cache. You're going to do the same thing for other apps as well. So open your settings, go to your app settings, and simply search for Google services. So let me just scroll down and find Google Play Services. Go here and then go to permissions. Make sure all of the permissions are allowed and then clear out your cache. Now you can do the same thing for package installer. So if you're not able to find it here, tap on the three dots at the top right and then tap on the sorting icon, show the system apps as well, and simply search for package installer. Now, if you are not able to see package installer, you might not have shown the system apps. So show just system apps and then search for package installer. Tap on it and then clear its data as well. So go to your storage, clear cache, and then clear data. Now finally, what you can do is go back and then go to your app permissions. So go ahead and tap on reset app preference, go to special access, and then install unknown apps. Make sure that this is turned on for Chrome and other web browsers. You should be good to go after doing this. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.